Hi, Brinny. Oh, how about using the spoon in your hand? She's like, nope. It's easy. You gonna use your spoon? Here, Daddy, I'll help you. Oh, it's a toy. It's yummy even though there's nothing on that spoon. Hi, Brinny Bear. We'll just shove the rice in our mouth. Wow. Hey, Bryn. Is that good lunch? Some chicken rice and some peas? Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy.